Good day everyone. To this video, you'll learn about the degree and radian. The objective of this video, the learner should be able to to, define what is a degree and what is the radian, and how to convert the degree to radian and radian to the degree. And now, let us define what is a degree. Degree is a unit of measurement for angle, and this is the symbol of degrees. Next, degree usually denoted in this symbol. 180 degree, in which is one complete rotation, is equivalent of 360 degree. And now let us define what is a radian. Radian is defined as a pure measurement based from the radius of the circle. So, how to convert degree into radian? In solving degree into radian, the formula given here is to help us in the formula pi over 180 degree. So, over pi over 180 degree, remember that in solving the degree into radian, just multiply the given formula, given degree and radian. So let's have here an example. First example here is 300 degree. Since we already know in how to convert or how to solve in just the multiply the given degree, which is the 300 degree. Here is the given formula, which is the pi over 180 degree. Then cancel out for the 0 degree and 300 degree, cancel out 0, so the remaining number are 3 over 80, 13
30 over 18
pi. So simple, multiply both sides, the common factor of each. So we have 6, 30 divide 6, we have 18, then divide 6, so we have 5 over 3, 5 is the equivalent of 300 degree. Another example, 1080 degrees. So this same process, just multiply given degree formula, which is the pi over 180 degree, then cancel out of or eliminate the 0 degrees, and each given in given formula, we have 180 over 108 rather over, so 18 degree pi, since 108 divide power the denominator, since 18 so 18, the quotient is 6, and just bring down the pi symbol, and that is means 1080 degrees, which is equivalent to 6 pi in radian. We have another example. How about 30 degree, multiply to the given formula pi over 180 degree, and eliminate the 0 degree each, so we have 30 over 18 pi, so the lowest term divided by 3, so we have 1 over 6 pi, so that's mean 1 over 6 pi is equivalent to our 30 degrees. Next, the radian to degree. For converting the radian to degree, the formula is 180 degrees over pi. So there are examples 1, 3 over 4 pi equals just multiply the given formula, which is the 180 degree over pi, and eliminate the pi symbol. And like the degree to radian, you might that must be eliminated in this greater radian. In this degree, or the 0 degrees, and here in radian to degree, that must be eliminated as the pi symbol in order for us to have a degree form. So here, let's cancel out the pi symbol. So the remaining number is 3 multiplied by 180 degrees over 4. Just multiply 3 into 180 divided degrees and divide by it by divided into 4. So we have this quotient of 135 degrees. It means 135 degrees is equivalent to our 3 over 4 radian given. So next is the 2 pi. Again, just multiply into the given formula, which is the 180 degree over 5, and eliminate the pi symbol. So we have 180 degree, just multiply 2 to 180 degrees, and so we have this product of 360 degrees, and that means 360 is equivalent to 2 pi. And that will be the end of this video. I hope you like it. That's all. Thank you.